everybody, it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. So this video, it comes from a comment that was made on a couple of my pictures where I had my head wrapped up, and the person asked me to do a video about this. And initially I said I'm not that great at head wraps, so I could just let you know where to find them, which you can just basically put in head wraps on YouTube and you'll get tons and tons of videos. But then she asked me what did I use, and I said, well, I at least can tell people what I use for my head wraps, and then link all those great videos where I learned to do head wraps in this video. When I was in college, I wore my hair natural, and when I had a bigger fro, or basically had a nice size poof, I just went and grabbed scraps of material. In the one picture that the person commented on, she's like, oh, what's your head wrap? And I'm like, it's just a piece of material from Joann Fabric. I got this because I knew how I wanted. I was wearing this with a particular outfit. I was going to a wedding, and I knew I was going to wrap my hair up. And I knew that I wanted a specific material to go with the dress I had. So I went to Joann Fabrics and just had them measure out. I think this was 2 yards. It's basically just a square piece of material that I wrapped up around my head that day. I had crochet braids in that I wasn't actually happy with, okay? I had enough hair on my head to make a nice big high puff, kind of like this. And I just wrapped the material around it. So every time you walk into almost any department store, any Target, any Walmart, any kind of store that sells fashion scarves, you are looking at head wraps. One of my most favorite things to use is this very large oversized scarf. This has a heavy material. It's a great scarf to just wear around your neck, and I love accessorizing it with my outfits because this one has such a great color pattern, color scheme and pattern. It's an awesome head wrap, and yes, I have worn it in videos. I had to choose between a scarf and a piece of material. I really can't choose because honestly, they both work the same for me, and it really is going on what look that I want. So I really don't choose. It's all about the look that I'm going for, and trust me, once you start to learn how to do these things, you're going to pick which type of material, and then you'll have which type of scarves that you'll go to. Be sure to look in the description box and the info cards that's come up, because I'm going to link some of my favorite tutorials for head wraps. These girls know what they're doing, and like I said, if those don't meet or suit your fancy, all you gotta do is search, and you can spend hours, like once upon a time I did. You can spend a lot of time looking for head wraps. If you have any other suggestions, and if you have any other things you'd like me to help you find, I am here for you. Let's connect. Connect with me on Instagram. Connect with me, comment below here. And yeah, I'm here for you to help you. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to get all the videos hot off the press, and I will see you next time.